our cats. Over the years, I have really taken to helping cats. One of the first ones I helped was in the parking lot of where I work. Brought him home. We named him Oreo. He was a great cat. Then we had others that I brought in. I brought in one called Smokey, who ended up having cysts in his kidneys, so he didn't live very long. And then we brought in one that's her cat, the great-granddaughter's cat.
Jasmine.
Yeah, her name is Jasmine. And then we brought in another cat, and her name is Callie, but she lives with my sister in St. Charles. And then we brought in the orange cat that was here in one of the last videos, because we knew he was somebody's, but he had a collar. And so since he was somebody's cat, I put it out on missing pets site. I put him out on Facebook to see if we could find his owner. Well, one day he came back. His collar was gone, and he couldn't walk on his foot. So I decided he needed to see the vet. So we took him to the vet. He had a chip. And before they would help him, they had to call the people on the chip. That person then called back and said it wasn't their cat. So he's now the great-granddaughter's cat, and she named him Simba. And so he's now in a home. And that was the last friendly cat that came here. I do still feed a black one that I've been feeding like 10, 11 years. So he's an old kitty, but he still comes to eat. Now this cat showed up after we took in the orange one. Now he's not very old, only a couple of months old, very playful. The great-granddaughter named him Uno. Yes. And we've been trying to tame him because he needs to find a home. So we've been trying to tame him for her. I'm not quite sure which.
Is he?
But the granddaughter and great-granddaughter think it's a boy. I don't know. But he hangs around here every day. I don't think he leaves the yard. And he's gotten to where he will play with us and follow us. He is good with our small dog. Haven't had him around any bigger dogs. But he is good with the small dog. But he's very playful because he's so young. And he even plays with our dog who's 15. About his size. They're about the same size. Pretty soon the cat will be bigger than him. But he is very playful. So we're getting there. We can't pick him up yet.
I can.
But we can pet him.
I can pick him up.
So we're getting there. And that is our cats.
I can pick him up.
That is some of our times with our cats.
Okay, kitty. No, kitty.
I do, if he's still here over the winter, I do supply a heated house for the outside cats. Now, the big black one I've been feeding has never used them. The orange one that I helped save, who has FIV, used it all the time.
Don't bite my leg.
So we're hoping that he will use a heated house. He has a heated container in the back that he can use. But I'd like to get him a house that's weatherproof.
No. Meow.
Okay. And Julie's trying to find somebody at church that wants it, but we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. They want a girl. They want a girl? Yeah.
Well, it's a boy.
Well, anyway, so Uno and I have got some yard work to do. I've got to bury this sump pump hose. So he's inspecting the hose and the ditch I dug for it, make sure they're okay. Now he's inspecting my shovel here and make sure my tools are okay for me, and we better check the end of this sump up hose and make sure that's okay. And this shovel here, and he's just always helping us out on whatever work we're doing out in the yard. And it's funny because he lays on the front porch step, or if he's out in the yard, when we open the door, he'll come a-running. So he always hangs around us, investigating everything, whatever we're doing out here in the yard. But subscribe to this channel and like this video. Yes, exactly right, Leilani. So subscribe to this channel and like this video, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.